Right, it's the 11th of January 2019, and you may ask me, why am I filming the vanity unit? Well, the reason being is this is sort of a before thing, because in our bathroom we're going to actually replace the vanity unit in the next week or so, and we get a new vanity unit. So I thought I'd catch the old vanity unit while we had the chance to show what it looks like. And this is the vanity unit, and some of the stuff's going to have to be moved because the new vanity unit doesn't have anything underneath, any area underneath to put buckets and things. But we've got cupboards, so we'll be able to hide those buckets, or we'll put them somewhere else. But, yeah. So we'll go out down the hallway. Oh, there's our shower, by the way. I'll just show you the shower while we're at it. This is the shower recess. Just in case anybody's interested, this is the shower recess here. And the shower, of course, is a one of those ones you can remove, and though we must have it taped up, because what happens when we use it and we try and put it back to use normally, it decides to fire itself off like a rocket and come down your head. So what we do is, unless we want to actually hold it, we stick it there with a bit of sellotape to hold it. So there we go with that. Anyway, that's the shower while we're out there. Okay, we'll go down the hallway here. I'm going to turn the light on so you can see the hallway. This is the hallway, and this is the new vanity unit. If we get to a light, I'm just going to get to a light here. It's a bit dark, so we'll get a light on here. There we go. Now you may well, that's the new vanity unit there, sitting in the hallway waiting to be installed. The junk, of course, will be removed. We won't have any of that there. So that gives you an idea of what the new vanity unit looks like, and also what our hallway looks like. So, and there's a good photograph of the tram there, San Francisco tram. Considering I'm into trams, it's a good shot there. Something I haven't shown before. I managed to get that at an op shop. I think it was at Mt Waverley, if I remember rightly. I think that's where it was. It was only a couple of dollars or something. There we go. So we'll turn the light off and we'll continue on. Well, everything went dark, didn't it? We'll talk about laundries. This is a laundry here. This is what the laundry looks like, just to give you an idea. We have a separate laundry room. I know there's a few people have laundries in their same rooms. They've got kitchens and all sorts of things, got all sorts of different ways, but we have a separate laundry room, and you actually go out the back door, out the back, and let's give you an idea of that. And the hallway looking up this direction. Okay, give you an idea of the house, a little bit of the house anyway, part of it. And light up there. So there we go.